Hey there, fellow hams. I'm Cody, W3AMG, and we've got some big news. The Hams of the Roundtable giveaway has begun. It's time to suit up for battle and win the glory of becoming the victor in this exciting new competition. Do you have what it takes to win the tournament and earn a seat at the table? The Hams of the Roundtable giveaway will run from now until November 7th, 2021. Also, this giveaway will be a little bit different from ones that have come before. We asked you on our Facebook page whether you all preferred a giveaway with one winner and a large prize or multiple winners and smaller prizes. And well, we listened. Not one, not two, but 5 courageous hams will win the honor of taking home a prize bundle fit for a king, which includes the following. The plug-and-play handheld package featuring an AnyTone 878 UV2 Plus, a SkyBridge Plus dual-band digital hotspot so you can get on the air making contacts faster than you can say, "Hear ye, hear ye." You'll also receive an Adventurer's Bundle full of useful accessories for your gear, including a BCS 200 speaker mic for hands-free communication, the AnyTone 12-volt battery eliminator for a long-lasting charge, a protective case for your new AnyTone 878 UV2 Plus, and a Nagoya NA701 antenna for extended range you need to hit that far-off repeater. Of course, we wouldn't stop at the gear alone. You'll also get exclusive access to our library of BridgeCom University courses for AnyTone handhelds and the SkyBridge Plus, so you'll know exactly what to do with your plug-and-play package when it arrives. Finally, we're throwing in a free Super Cub plug and a BridgeCom Systems hat, because no matter what century you're in, everyone loves hats. Just one of these kingly bundles alone is worth $1,143.98, making for a total of $5,719.90 in prizes. Hams, consider this your call to arms. Throughout the Hams of the Roundtable giveaway, we'll give you various activities or quests to complete for bonus entries. The only question is, how many can you rack up before the winners are drawn? Your chances are 5 times better than they've ever been, but that doesn't mean another chivalrous ham in shining armor might swoop in to take the prize. Click the link in the video description now to visit the giveaway page and start completing your quests. The tournament has officially begun. Are you ready to claim your rightful prize at the Ham Radio Roundtable? Thanks again for watching. I'm Cody, W3AMG 73.